म्हादय न्हंय वळोवची न्ही म्हण बेळगांव मोर्चा सगळ्या पक्षांतले कार्यकर्ते पर्यावरण ॲक्टिव्हिस्ट थळाव्यांनी एकठांय येवन कर्नाटक सरकाराच्या निर्णया आड मोर्चा काडलो. बेळगांव जिल्लोधिकारी कचेरे भायर निदर्शनां.
And we are not against the people who are asking the water. See, the movement is only to show don't damage the forest. But we also say you give water to people who are asking for water. A kind of a crusade, if they are done at the government level, there are so many options are there. They could have put check dams on Malaprabha. They could harness Beni Halla, which is causing problem to them. They could desilt the dam, because if they don't desilt and if they get all the water of Madai.
Diversion of the year, the river, what is happening, it is for the industrial growth. But at the same time, we need to be aware about the wildlife that is around us, the nature, the water, and also as we know that these have been recognized as the lungs of Asia. And we all are here to support this cause today. And we all stand, all the Belgamites and everyone around here, we stand for the wildlife, the nature, and the water.
And we will see to it that enough pressure is built up and the government will it has to, and we really urge all the people to bring enough pressure and stop this project right away.
उदा आसा न्ही ते उदा बेळगांवचे आसा आणि ते हुबळी धारवाडा वळयतात, डायवर्ट करता आसता ते आमचे बेळगांवकरांक अन्याय जाता. हो अन्याय आमकां नाका आसा. तर आमी आमच्या हक्काचे उदक आमकां मेळूं जाय, हुबळी धारवाडा न्ही. आमकां अशें सांगपाचें आसा की डायवर्शन जाल्यार सगळी इकोसिस्टम जी आसा न्ही ती पाड पडटली.
विशेष म्हणल्यार हांगा वेगवेगळे राजकीय पक्ष, वेगवेगळे राजकीय पक्ष, जात भेद हे सगळे कुशीन दवरून हांगा वेगवेगळ्या स्तरांतले लोक एकठांय जाल्ले आसात. आमचे उदक आमचो हक्क आसा, हे आमचे वातावरण आसात, आमचे वायल्ड सँच्युरी आसात, ते वाटायात आणि म्हादय प्रकल्प जावंक दिवं नाकात अशा लोकांची मागणी आसा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर बेळगांव सावन लुईस रॉड्रिगीज.